Hi folks, this is Lee Murphy, artbyleemurphy.com, and moving right along slowly with the camper evaluation triage, whatever you want to say, before I try to even fix anything on this. For the longest time I let this thing sit because I was kind of scared of what I might find, and it is kind of kind of good that it actually, this trashed out camper came with this canopy, but no surprise, it is just about as trashed as the rest of it. So I finally got over my scaredness of it and took it apart, looked at it, and as you can see, there is no saving this. So it's great because it, in a way, it removes the option of trying to fix it, and it opens up any manner of ways to DIY it, because when I went and looked online, they still had this type of camper, but not camper, awning, excuse me. But I really don't dig the look of this. And of course, it's been spray painted on. It's full of holes, it's abraded, it's dry rotted, it's got gunk stuck to it. And yeah, because duct tape fixes a lot of things that it shouldn't. So, at least this part is usable. So I might be able to straighten these poles out. At least it's worth a try since I've got them. There's always other things I can use for that though. Easy options. And no idea what this pole goes to, but then I have this other one here. So then of course when I stopped being afraid of what I might find, I started really looking a little bit closer at seeing how this thing is built so I can maybe build my own. And then I looked at the way this fits into the rail on the roof of the camper, and I'm like, wow, that looks familiar. And it is virtually identical to this dripper hose for irrigation system. So I'm like, yay, I already have something, and it looks like it will work. One less thing to spend money on. And there's Ruthie supervising. So at least now I know it's something I can do my own creative thing with. I don't have to settle for the off-the-shelf versions of this. There's enough to work with, but I know it's in bad enough shape not to be afraid to mess up, which is pretty cool. So I'm actually going to be able to table this and put it back for when I'm done with the rest of the camper, because I don't want my choices for this to influence the other colors. I want talk much these days. I want to accessorize this with the ideas I have for the main camper body. So there it sits. Just enough to do something with, but not to save. Anyhow, hopefully that was helpful, and thank you for watching.